Well, it's a lovely sunny day, guys, but that just happened. Not the best start to the day, but ho hum. Is it broken? I don't know. Looks like these tabs will just screw back on, so let's get it sorted. What an absolute ball ache this is. So the clips and the plastic part are still intact. I've only got one that's actually broken. For the number plate, it's just a little clip that's broken. Same for there. But the issue is, the screws just snap. And I can't get them out. And I haven't got any more of these. So what I'm doing is I'm drilling them out, which is quite slow and painful, but it seems to be working, and then I can stick a nut and bolt through there. Right, so I've just cut the excess off of the old stud. Now I'm doing the very boring job of going through with a series of drill bits to get it to a size where I can get a nut and bolt in there. Doesn't help when you snap the drill bit. Let's try this one. Painfully boring. Right, okay, so that is drilled out, and as you can see, I can now get a nut and bolt through there. Oh. Just need to investigate what's going on with this number plate now, see if something is actually broken or not. Let's have a look. Okay, I see what was going on there. So that black bit was a clip that went right through there and into the original bumper, and then a bit bodgy, they've just screwed straight into it. So I guess we'll just replicate something like that, shall we? We've got these ones that go underneath, the other side is broken. As you've seen in one of my other van videos, I have got a load of this kind of stuff, so this one is alright, but it looks like it's going to be savaged by the time I get it out, if I can get it out. So let's get that out, get this back on. I've drilled out the 4 things. Let's see if we can have a bumper again by the end of this. So we're all back on, all sorted, looking good. You could argue it was a little bit bodgy with the kind of double washer there. So that was quite a big hole, and obviously I've got a smaller bolt to get through those brackets. But that's good enough. That will do. Onwards and upwards. So there we go. All done. All fitted back up. What a ball ache that was. But you know, it's not the problem. It's how you get round it. My solution, yeah, wasn't ideal. Ideally, I need some more of those brackets and put it on with the correct bolts. But what I've done is fine. It works. It's secure. So that's another drama sorted for today. This stuff happens to me all the time. But there we go. All done. Keeps me on my toes, doesn't it? So thank you very much for watching. Keep an eye out. Should be another video on the caddy soon. And as always, yeah, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that'd be brilliant. Doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. So yeah, if you could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.